Download Adobe app for Mac and Windows for free. Now open Chrome browser. Tap here. Now search agfy.co. Link on description. Press enter. Follow me. Click Adobe option. Tab it. Close the windows. Again tab it. How you find the Adobe app for Mac and Windows for free. Now click the app that you download and follow me. For download, click Upload Hub. Now download it. Already download it. Go to download folder of your computer. Zip download tip on I button. Follow me. Now extract it. Follow me. Select the language. Now tap on Continue. No need to turn off the internet connection. I already install it. Thank you for watching. Now subscribe my channel. All done.